Students review about the webinar on building cyber immunity, held by Indian Cybersecurity Solutions in collaboration with KS Institute of Technology.
I'm Srinivas MR, and the seminar was very good. Even though it was short, it was very informative. It created an awareness about cyber threats and how dangerous it can be. You also showed us different types of cyber attacks and how it can affect our daily lives, and also to what extent can hacking be done. With everything going virtual today, there will be an increase in the number of cyber incidents. So this seminar gave us a glimpse about all of it. Thank you Sureka ma'am for organizing this, and thank you Abhishek sir for taking your time and doing this. Thank you.
This webinar session is a grateful session, ma'am. I have learned a lot more about the cybersecurity and ethical hacking, which I want to be learned. So the first thing I have learned about the cybersecurity services and training, and about the hackers, like how they are working like that. In this session, I like the topic of password management, which is a very interesting topic, ma'am. It is a very informative session, and I wonder to have much more sessions like this, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am, and thank you, sir, for this wonderful session.
The webinar on cyber security and ethical hacking by Abhishek Mishra was very effective. I learned few basic concepts of this cyber security and ethical hacking, then what is done at the Indian Cyber Security Solutions, that is finding the vulnerabilities in the system and solving them, then how to find the loopholes in security system and how to report these threats to the owners, and finding the solutions for that. Then about how these hackers affect the internet, then about password management and ransomware attack. So also they gave a few examples, live examples about this hacking that is recent ones, like COVID vaccine fake registrations and ATM machine hackers and how they have been caught and punished. Then about the practices to become an ethical hacker, and about the job roles in this profession. So overall this webinar was very helpful for us, and I thank you for organizing this webinar for us, and I also thank the speaker for giving us a wonderful talk and much needed talk on this topic. Thank you.
So to speak about the event which was organized by our teachers and the Indian Cybersecurity Solutions, it was really informative, and network and cybersecurity as well as ethical hacking has always been my keen area of research. So it really helped me to know a lot of things about the grey hat techniques or different ransomwares which are used for hacking, and I also got to know more about how to protect our passwords, and as well as how to safeguard the accounts. And there was a lot of information which was shared about the CoWIN app, which is majorly used for vaccination these days. And overall it was a really great event. I thank my teachers for organizing such an event, and it was really helpful, and it was for me it benefited a lot. So thank you.
Hello, my name is Lakshan, and I attended the webinar on cyber security and ethical hacking, which was conducted by KS Institute of Technology, and speaker was Mr. Abhishek Mishra, who is the CEO and founder of Indian Cyber Security Solutions. The webinar was very informative. We got to know how ethical hacking is done in this present digital world, and we got to know what are the security measures we have to take while we get attacked by a ransomware. We also got to know what are the measures we have to do to secure our passwords, and where we have to complain when we get attacked or get hacked into our accounts. The webinar was very interesting and informative, and I hope we get to see more webinars like this for our so that we can make our futures successful. Thank you.